outside go for about another 2 minutes, and then I'm going to bring it inside and tent it, and we'll plate it all together and let you know how it all looks at the very end of the video. So I'm going outside to check the strip loin on the grill to finish off the rest of my New Year's Eve dinner. Here we go. Let's go check it out. Whoops! So the ingredients or the weather might not be conducive to how you're going to cook your steak tonight, but what? It must be minus, I don't know, I'm going to say minus 20 right now. I gotta flip the thing. I flip the camera thing. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go.